Alright, we're doing problem 4 out of chapter 2 of Rosenlicht's Introduction to Analysis. This is a basic, is this number bigger than another number problem? So the first one is 223 over 71 greater than 222 over 7. And to answer this, what does it mean for something to be greater than something else? Well, it just means, so this is the same as asking, is 223 over 71 minus 22 over 7 greater than 0? Is this positive? And so how could we simplify this? Well, we could just multiply, get a common denominator. So we could say, well, we could multiply this entire thing by 7 times 71. So is 223 times 7 minus 22 times 71. Is this positive? And another way you can kind of see this is if you're asking, is A over B bigger than C over D? Well, you can just kind of do the exact same trick that this is the same as asking, is A over B minus C over D positive? And then multiplying by B and D, and this is the same as asking, is AD minus BC positive? And notice this is actually a determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix, which is interesting to note. But so now we just have to carry out this calculation. So what is 223 times 7? So if we do this, we're going to get 21, 14, so that'd be 16, that'd be 14, 15, so that'd be 156. And then if we have 22 times 71, so 2 times 1 is 2, that's 14, that's a 0, that's a 2, 14. Add these, we'll get a 2, a 5, a 1, a 6. And so what we end up with is, since this is bigger, this whole thing is going to be -1, so which is, it's not greater than 0, so the answer to this one is no. Alright, so we can do the exact same thing with part B. We could just ask, is 265 times 780 minus 1351 times 153, is this greater than 0? And so, again, we have to multiply. So that'd be 0, 5 times 8, that's a 40, that's a 35, so that'd be a 39, put a 0 there, that's a 0, 8 times 6 is 48, so we have a 4 there, 6 times 7 would be a 42, but we have this 4 here, 42, so that'd be 46, and then we have those, and then we get a 0, 6, carry the 1, 14, so we have 15, 0, 0, 7, 1, 6, 0, 2. So this first number is going to be this, and now let's multiply the second one. So if we have 131 times 153, so we're going to have a 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 2, 0, so that's going to be a 5, carry the 1, 25, so 5, carry the 1, 25, so that'd be a 6, and then we have a 2, 10 with a 2, so that'd be a 12. Then we have a 9, 5, 4, and then we'd have a 3, 5, 1. If we add these all together, we're going to get a 3, 8, 0, 3. That'd be a 0, 1, 2. So 8, 6, 3, and is this greater than 0? And the answer to this one will also be no. So it's just a question of doing some multiplication, and hopefully I did this multiplication right. I'm just going to double check. So here we had 223 times 7 is 1561, so that one was right. And then we had 71 times what, 22? Oh, so 71 times 22 is 1562, so this one is right. And then if we want to check this, if we have 780 times 265, 206,700, got that one right. And then we have 1351 times 153, 206,703. Okay, so I messed up this multiplication somewhere, but this still will be a larger value. And yeah, so the answer to both of these will be no, modulo my arithmetic error. All right, thanks for watching.